Hey, what's up, Digibyte holders? So in this month, what they do, Digibyte keep moving in upward, and August can they will give you a profit or not, my brother. Everything in this video is going to be very special, so must watch this video completely to understand better. Now, okay, in this month they will make you a millionaire. Really, let's see, my brother, what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, and what's the opinion. Everything I will share you. So please, before I start the video, please like video and don't forget to subscribe. Just in only complete 20,000 subscriber. Oh my goodness, can you do this? Oh my goodness, click the red button, man. Alright, remember this time you can see here the price will completely increasing from last 7 days, and that's a very good for all holder of Digibyte now. And my prediction is completely clearly, my brother. As you can see here, they will make this triangle here now. So this triangle is completely sure, my brother, to they will give you a profit, and definitely, my friend, the price will come to 0.004 USD dollar to 0.05 to 4 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, it's a very huge jump now, and that's very good now, my brother. And last 7 days just in only the price is very very cheap now, my brother. So if you have any plan to invest more, so I think you will go now buy it, and absolutely, my brother, this time the price is very cheap now. So I hope in August they will give you a very good profit, and at the end of month, especially, my brother, as you can see here, just in only my friend, check out the last 1 month chart. At the end of month, you know more, my brothers, every coin will moving in upward direction, especially last 10 days of the month. As you can see here, my brother, this time absolutely, my friend, you can see here July 22, you can see here August 1. This all 10 days, my brother, as you can see, will completely they will moving in upward direction. So I am 100% to in August, my friend, also at the end they will give you a very good profit now. So please, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good coin, my brother, and the price is those days are also very cheap now. So go now, invest now. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe channel.